going to test out the application that we created for CU Walk. This is me creating the new trip information for our application. So this is our login page that we can, when you want to use our application, this is going to be the first page you're going to enter. Here you can only log in with your CU email account. Otherwise, you're going to log out. So here I'm testing out my personal email, my personal Gmail. So when I log in with my Gmail, it will pop out a window saying, remember to use your Line Mail account to sign in, otherwise the email account will be rejected. Now, let's get started with our CU email account. So this is the modifying profile page. So all the new users will be directed to this page, and to enter their nickname, their genders, their phone numbers, their email, their emergency contact email, and their phone numbers. So I'm a new user, so all the lists should be empty as for now. So I'm gonna go ahead and enter all my information. And for demo purpose, because we're working as a team, so I'm gonna put my teammate's Yan Hao's email and the phone number in there for demo purpose. He is gonna be the monitor of our trip. Now we want to test out the old user profile. So before entering this page, I've logged out and signed out my CU account, and now I'm logging as an existing user. So as you can see, my nickname, my gender, all my personal information, and the emergency contact information are listed on the page. So if you don't want to make any change, you can go ahead and click the submit. And this is saying I'm logged out. So as you can see, all the user profile was loaded because we have all the information in the database, so we can just pull them out and display them on the page. So here you can have two options. So if you want to create a trip, if you want to go back home or go to somewhere else, you can create a trip. Or if you want to monitor friends or anyone else, you can monitor a trip, click on the monitor a trip button, and then they will direct you to different pages. Here I'm going to create a trip. And now for demo purpose, we're going to choose a late time during the nighttime. We're going to do 11 p.m. And departure building is going to be our CS building, which is smart building. And destination, I'm gonna randomly enter destination address for demo purpose. Right, so once I click the submit button, the trip has been requested, and then our database or backend will have all the information from the user. Since I'm the first one using this application as for now, so at the moment no group is available right now, so I'm gonna go ahead and create a new group. So here, before you start your trip, you will be directed to this page saying you're either ready or you want to cancel the trip, right? So here we also have a security code for the security purpose. So once you meet up with your friends, you have to match your security code with your friends, with the group member. So each individual will have a different code. Then they can match those codes with the system. Once you're ready to departure, you can click on the ready button. Otherwise, you can cancel the trip before the trip starts. And also there's a timer on the top of the screen displaying how long do you have until the departure time. All right, so ready. Here is Chuwen, our another team member. So Chuwen Morty has entered his personal information as well, and he's ready to enter another group. He's gonna choose 11 p.m. as well, and starting from Mod Building 2, and destination address is randomly chosen from the Google Map. And now you can see we have already loaded a group which was created by me, Arthur, because I also choose to start at 11 p.m. in Mod Building, and then our destination is super close to each other, so it's gonna be so Chuwen will have an option to group up with me together, go back home. Also, here's a new thing. So if Chuwen wants to go back home by himself or want to create another group, he can create a new group or select the group from the list. It's user's choice. Here he selected the existing group created by me. Then once you're ready, you will be directed to the Google Map page, which will show you the precinct of your district, and will also tells you the crime ratio of that precinct. So to warn you to be careful on the way back home. Right, this is a demo for going back home along the road. As you can see, the GPS location, the GPS ping is on the map is moving because we are detecting the user's position by a fixed time gap. Here for demo purposes, we're gonna increase the speed. All right, once the user has arrived at destination, he can hit the red button or hit the emergency button if he or she has realize someone is stalking him or having an emergency situation. Right here, we're gonna show you how to do arrive. So once you have hit the red button, we will send a message to emergency contact, and then they will get a notification from the SMS message service. All right, and then when you finish your trip, you will be directed to this page. Here's another trip demo. And here because we are implemented the hazard detection function. So we set the range of the pin mark and the route to be super close. If you're out of the route, then the system will detect your enormously and then send the hazard information to your emergency contact. Since we're only doing this for demo, we manually set the range to be 2 meters, which is super close to the road. So once you're out of the range, you'll be your emergency contact will be warned through SMS service. And here's our monitor, Yanhao. So here, as a monitor, he has to be a CU student first of all. Otherwise, he wouldn't be able to log into the page. And then, as a monitor, you don't have to create a trip. You just click on the monitor trip button, and it will direct you to the map. All right, here are two users going to different destinations. Remember, all of the users and the monitors have to be CU students in order to use the application for security purpose. As you can see, they're moving, and we can dynamically check their location, mark, and their situation along the road. All right. Once they hit the red button, and then the monitor will get a message saying your friend has arrived.